Go. Hello guys, welcome to Germany. In my dog alley. And everything what you need here. And 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 guys, nice move pala Jude. And nice pala fishing. And nice duck. And na fish, dakhan. And nice something here. A lot. What you need. Rice, bread, water, and what you need. It is here. Guys, naidakan plants ali. See guys, did you see? And some people chop the trees. They're kind of annoying. You cannot see the view. And one duck, right? I saw one duck walking there. He is eating the plants. And then he put it in the water. They say yes. They can finally saw the video. One duck is together. There's a lot of ducks here. Guys, look, there's fishing here. And
oh, there's a bird. It's a kind of bird.
Bird. Here, see bird. Here, guys. There's dog. There's a lot of people here are good and some are bad. Guys,
Oh, go. Okay, go here. Okay, let's go.
Thanks.